I appreciate that. And look at these. This is Joanna Perkins. She's a big fan of the show.
Good morning. How
Hi,
you doing,
Joanna.
sweetheart?
Now, I've met Lucy, but I've never met Gandalf.
This is Gandalf, my other dog. He's my Marley clearance dog,
Oh
but
my
he turned
gosh.
out to be a wonderful service dog. So,
That's right. You have service
we're so
animals.
Excited. Yeah, we are here. Well, not just to be part of the Moron Club, because I think I don't know. I may actually be like on the council, but we're actually going to be Santa's helpers this year.
I love
so
that.
If you don't get to see the dogs this morning, come to all the Santa's helpers events. Please bring toys. Everybody's hurting.
Yeah.
We need toys. And Lucy does have a love affair going on with Pete Delkus.
I know, but
Bill
Gandalf...
Hansen, not so much.
You won't reveal how much Gandalf weighs. You said Gandalf's going to Jenny Craig next week.
Well,
Gandalf is a big puppy.
well, you know these little rescue dogs. They kind of grow, and then he just started growing, and he grew, and he grew, and he grew. And, yeah, there's your girlfriend right there.
Hi, how are you? Pete Duncan.
Lucy's got a
Very,
thing
very
for you,
I'm
too.
afraid.
There'll be a fight.
She's a two-timer, this Lucy. All right.
But
Thank
we're
you all.
happy to be here, and we love our shirts. Thank you so much. And the breakfast and making us feel welcome and everything.
Oh, you guys are always welcome here. Thank you all so much, and we're going to continue to chat with them coming up throughout the show this morning. All right, Izzy, back to you.
How fun, Ron. Okay. And as a child, your mom probably